Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bukumi. In this video I want to show you some other print on demand jewelry suppliers that you can use. I have videos on this channel showing you how to get started with the very popular Shineon print on demand supplier that you can partner with to sell your products on Etsy or on your Shopify store. But I have found out other suppliers that you can use that I am trying out myself, and I wanted to share with you in this video. So if that's what you're looking for, make sure you stay with me to the end of this video because I'm going to leave the best for the last. So let's get right into it, guys. So the very first one I want to show you is called Own Print. So this company is actually based in Europe, but they ship to every part of the world, almost every part of the world. Once you come onto their website, you will find if they actually ship to your location or to where you want to ship your orders to. But for the purpose of this video, I just want to show you the products they have and how you can actually get that and get started with them. So I'm going to show you some of the products they have. So this is for the jewelry. They have loads and loads of products that you can actually customize and sell on Etsy. So look at this chain, this necklace. There are different necklaces that you can actually customize, loads and loads and loads of them. If you guys sell on Etsy, you would know that this type of necklaces are really trending right now. Look at this bird flower name necklace. This are really trending on Etsy right now. So there are loads and loads of products here, guys. I just wanted to show you that you can use Own Print as your supplier. Let's check out some other products in the same Mother's Day niche. So you can see they also have message cards, jewelry that you can sell just like Shineon. You'll be able to customize the jewelry. The message card it's just what it is here. That's what you get, but you'll be able to, your customers will be able to customize what they have written on the jewelry or whatever picture or name they want on the jewelry. And I think this is actually a very good one if you're looking for alternatives to Shineon, and if you maybe live in Europe or the UK and you want really fast shipping time, this might be something you want to take a look at. I'm just going to click on let's see this one and just show you how it works. So if you have your Shopify store, you can connect your Shopify store to Own Print, then just come to the product you want to, the product you're trying to sell, and import, send into your Shopify store and give it a title. Select the variant you want, then just click on continue. They already have a written description for you. Everything you need to have in your store is already here. Just do that and just save product template. When you do save product template, then you can then go to your store here, connect your Shopify store, then add product to your store. So it's that simple, guys. I'm going to leave the link to every website I talk about. I'm going to leave it in the description so you can get it fast and easy. The second website I want to show you guys is called JetPrint. JetPrint also has a Shopify integration. It doesn't have Etsy integration. Own Print doesn't have Etsy integration, just Shopify. So if you want to sell on Etsy, you need to download the pictures yourself and the description and upload that manually. I just wanted to mention that here. Same for JetPrint. They don't have any Etsy integration. They only integrate with Shopify at the moment. So if you sell on Shopify, you might find this very useful. They sell different stuff. They have different products that you can customize, but I'm very much interested in the jewelry, so let's get to that. I'm just going to try and locate the jewelry. Let's see where it is. So jewelry, you have necklaces, the different types of products, but let's just take a quick look at every one they have. If you sell on Etsy, you know that these jewelries are really trending right now. I'll show you that. This is a research tool that I use for my keyword research and product research for Etsy. So let's take a look at jewelry. These are jewelries that are really selling well on Etsy and are trending. So all of this. If you see this fire symbol here, it means that these products are really selling really well right now. These are jewelries that you can actually get made and fulfilled by production partner like Jet Print. So if you see so these are jewelry. You see all these jewelries are trending right now. Can you see all the sales? If I sort by sales, this sales today and 7 days ago, you can see this product has had 384 sales this week in the last 7 days. These are customized jewelries. These are simple jewelries, name jewelry. If I go on here and I put that as then name necklace, let's see what comes up. So guys, you can see name necklaces are really selling on Etsy. I'm just sorting that by the IS sales. You can see this name necklaces are selling right now. This bird flower name necklaces are selling right now. You can see all the sales. This is just the sales they've had in 1 week, and they've made sales today. You can see that here. You can actually use Jet Print to fulfill this on Etsy, or if you do sell with Shopify, if you want a direct integration. So these are jewelries that are you can find here, and let's click on this one and see the price. And the good thing about Jet Print is you have some really nice mock-ups that you can use, and it has, you see the price here, you see the shipping cost immediately. That's if it ships to the US, this is how much it would be. If you wanted to go faster, this is how much it would be. And if you do come down here and you go to shipping rates, you would see how much it will cost to ship to different parts of the world. If you're selling to the United States, standard delivery is 12 to 25 days. If you wanted it faster, you'd have to pay $22 to get it shipped to your customers between 3 to 7 days. So all the products here that I really like. So look at this jewelry box. If you click on it, you'd see that these are stuff selling on Etsy right now. Let me show you jewelry box. Yep. So jewelry box are really selling hot. Look at that, hot right now on Etsy. So if you want to sell jewelry box and you are looking for a partner to make this for you, you might want to think of using Jet Print. The price is $5. You have the shipping costs, and you can also look at the variants they have and the shipping rates here. And you have different mock-ups to use. I think Jet Print is actually can be a good partner if you're looking to start this business either on Shopify or on Etsy. So I want to show you two more. This is called You Only Jewelry. I recently stumbled on this print on demand partner, and they actually kind of focuses more on jewelry. They have other products that they do sell, but they have loads of products in the jewelry niche. You see bracelet, earrings, rings, charm, and all of that. So if I wanted to do let's see something for, let's see, necklaces. So the name necklace, you'd see they have different designs here. The only thing I find not so appealing about You Only Jewelry is that they have some high prices. The prices are a little bit higher than some other suppliers and partners. So I mean, just do your due diligence and find what works for you. The good thing is, if you do register with You Only, they give you a discount. So if you were not registered for this product, you would have to pay $30. Because I'm registered as a drop shipper on the account, I'm getting further discount. So if you want to drop ship or you want to print on demand any of their products, you need to actually register with them. You can actually buy wholesales, and you get that at discount prices. So if you want to sell bulk, or you want to buy bulk orders, you would get that at better prices here. So just wanted to put this in if you're looking for more options. So the very last one I want to talk about, guys, is Aqua Styles. I know a lot of you might have seen or heard about Aqua Styles, but I still wanted to put it here so that it might be useful for people who don't know about it, and if you do know about it, just to shed more light. So Aqua Style is just like another print-on-demand supplier that also has more options in the jewelry niche. So they sell meshes, wall art, mugs, and all of that. So you can see all the other products they have here, but I'm very interested in the jewelry, and that's what I'm going to check out. So let's go for the necklace. You can also customize bracelets. Let's see. So these are the products they have currently, and you can customize this and sell on your store. So let's see this love knot necklace. So if you wanted to sell the love knot necklace, this is how you go about it. So these are different mock-ups that you can get with the necklace. Okay, so you have videos also that you can use for your store. The price is from $13, and if you are on the pro plan, that's a paid plan, you get it at a cheaper price. You pick your box color and just select which you want. So now let's design the message card. So this is the product, and if I wanted to design the message card, I just come over here to template. They already have done for you templates. That's one of the things I really like about Aqua Styles. So the template is here, and you actually can go in there and customize the order, customize the message card. So if you got an order and someone wants you to not put daughter here, or just put something after the daughter, say to my daughter Jane, just type in Jane here. Let's see, my daughter Jane. Okay, so you have that here. Just align that very well. You can reduce the size so it fits perfectly. Yep. So to my daughter Jane, I need to get rid of the dots. Okay, so to my daughter Jane, and you have the message here. You can edit it, just edit it here. So unlike Shineon, where you have to just upload your already done in Canva or wherever you create your message card, already done message card, you can't edit it. I like that about Aqua Styles, because you actually can create all your products in here without editing, pre-editing or pre-creating your message card. So that is really nice, and the fact that you can personalize and customize is actually really nice, because a lot of people really would appreciate that better than just the regular boring messages that everyone is using. So here you can say love mama, you can say whatever it is, type in the person's name, that's the recipient name, and it just makes a lot of sense, and you're able to sell. And people would appreciate the fact that you can really edit this and make it, you can personalize it for them. So that is another thing I really like. So yeah, so if you are looking for more options, you can take a look at Aqua Styles. I think this is a no-brainer and can be a game changer. So what kind of box do you want? Do you want the regular one? I think, okay, these other ones is coming soon. They don't have this yet. So this is just the only one they have, just a regular jewelry box. So yeah, you can actually change the font of the text, you can edit it, you can change the color of the text and all of that. There are other things you can do in here, but you can actually just come through in here and just look through and see how much you can do. But I think this is actually good for you know, for you to get started with, or if you want to change your offering to your customers, and when you want to be able to quickly personalize this can be done here quickly. So yeah, so let's preview this and see what it looks like. Yeah, so this is what it looks like to my daughter Jane. You have the jewelry, you have the message, you have the sender's name. This is the sender's name, and you also have the recipient's name. You can also customize the back of the box if you would like to, the back of the message card, if you would like to like put your logo and all of that. Yeah, so let's upload product now. You can create the order directly from here, or you can just upload this directly to your store. This integrates perfectly with your Shopify store, and it also integrates with Etsy. So I have my Etsy store connected. I click on upload, and it's going to bring out all the mockups they have and that I can use. So this is the front, this is the back, and you can see that there are loads and loads and loads of mockups here. Let's scroll down. So there are different mockups here that you can use. Let's see. So you can use any of this. All you need to do is just select here, and that is it. Okay, there are different videos here that you can actually add to your Etsy store or to your Shopify store. These are different models that you can add on to your store. Okay, so there are different models here, different shots of the same model, but different shots for the jewelry also. So this is the title. Edit this, edit the description. If you don't want to edit description, just leave it the way it is. And yeah, put in your tags here for Etsy or for your Shopify store section. This is going to my Etsy store, so I need this for my section, my tags, my shipping profile. I need to add my shipping profile here, and yeah, voila, that's it. So this is the description of the product. You're getting the textured magnetic box, and it is the love knot necklace. The price for that is $13.95. You can retail at this price. You can sell for as much as $48, and obviously given free shipping. You need to look around for the shipping prices and see how much they charge for shipping and all of that. But yeah, basically that is that. I'm trying to keep this video short and not too long, and at the same time giving you all the information you need. But that is about that. So when I'm ready and I'm good, I will upload this straight to my store, and that's how that works. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So if you want to check out Aqua Styles, I'll leave a link in my description, and as well as all the other websites I showed you in this video. So which of these websites are you going to try out? Let me know in the comment section. I'd like to know. Thank you so much again for staying with me till the end of another video. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing so I can bring more content, and please give this video a thumbs up if you do find it useful. Thank you so much again, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.